How to add Collaborator on Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the app, make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to add a collaborator with brands after you have posted, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, select the post in which you want to add the collaborator. Now tap on the three dots on the post, then tap on the edit option. Once you tap on it, you're going to find the option of Edit Paid Partnership Label. Tap on this option. Then you want to toggle on the option of Add Paid Partnership Label. Then you have the option of Brand Partners. Tap on that option. Then from here, you can simply search for the brand that you want to add. Tap on the Add button. Tap on the Continue option. And then tap on the tick mark option at the top. Then tap on the tick mark option and then the collaborator will be added. If for some reason you're not able to find this option, all you have to do is head over to your settings. Then tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem here. And then you can simply explain your issue here and send this report to the Instagram team. Then the customer support will help you fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.